Hey guys, this is Grasket, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do study documents that can work as a game plans that you have in hand when you're facing like a high frequency place, that you really have like a good strategy and that the strategy makes sense, is logically sound. And so yeah, I'm going to show you how you can do this with Poker Academy. So let's go. In this scenario, we're going to use bottom as the position we are, and we're going to face a hijack open with 40 big blind. So the idea is create some plans when we are in the bottom with 40 big blind versus a couple of positions and try to get some heuristics and yeah, create a plan. So we're going to put the hijack is opening, 40 big blinds, regular versus R5, bottom versus hijack. Pretty cool stuff. We can simplify strategies, and now we can make this bottom versus mid positions 3-bet value. So we use 10 plus, ace queen suited plus, ace king open. So we have our value range, and now we can have the 3-bet bluffs that fold their hands. Is going to be like queen 9 suited, king 9 suited, queen 8 suited, jack 8 suited. So we can have like these hands around these hands. And now we have 3-bet fold versus 4-bet, but want to get called by worst. So we can simplify to ace 10, ace jack, and 10. We can have this value, like 3 value. We can have this clear of bluffs, and these hands work as kinda quote unquote bluffs because we're going to fold versus 4-bet. But the idea with these hands is to get called by worst hands, like worst aces, worst tens, and here worst jacks, aces, or king tens. Like for example, jack tens, jack queens, ace 9 suited, ace 8 suited. So that's the idea. And these hands want to get fold by better hands. For example, king 9 suited is divided into fold hands like ace 9, ace 8, 12, or stuff like this. So this is the idea. So we have the button versus MP, and we can do the same, like button versus EP. So let's go. So here in this scenario versus early positions, we now can see that our 3-bet for value is going to be, we can put like queen plus, ace king suited, ace king o, and our bluffs are going to be, we can simplify just king 9 suited, ace 8 suited, ace 7 suited, and the 3-bet also fold to 4-bet is going to be ace 10. That has that property that can get called by worse aces or worse tens. So this is a quick example of how you can develop game plans for high frequency situations, in this case bottom versus several positions. So if you create one position more, you now can have like a pretty good idea of what combos are high frequency 3-bet bluffs, high frequency 3-bet value, and yeah, you can develop your strategy. The idea is not to be perfect, but the idea is to have, as I said in the beginning, logically sound strategy, plus a strategy that you can as a player implement with logic and not depend only in memory. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video, and see you guys next time. Bye.